Doobity doo doo doo.
'Cause I can't help falling in love. Oh, what do we have here?
Doody doo. I love my chickens.
Yep.
Well, looks like love is in the air. Let me just.
Whoa.
Boink.
Oh my. Oh my.
It's you I like. It's not the things you wear. It's not the way you do your hair, but it's you I like. The way you are right now. The way down deep inside you. Not the things that hide you. Not your toys. They're just beside you. But it's you I like. Every part of you. Your skin, your eyes, your feelings. Whether old or new. I hope that you'll remember. Even when you're feeling blue. But it's you I like. It's you yourself. It's you. It's you I like. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.